In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost story on Instagram if not tagged. Normally, if you're tagged in a story, you can add it to your own story by tapping the Add This to Your Story button. However, if you're not tagged and still want to share someone else's story, if it's a photo, you can screenshot it, and after taking a screenshot, you can add it to your own story. Simply tap on your story button, select the screenshot, and add it. Optionally, you can mention the original poster in the story if you want, of course. If the content is a video, you can not directly share it to your story if you're not tagged. In this case, you can use the screen recording features on your device. Screen record the specific story on your phone, and after recording, you can add the video to your own story. And that's it. You can repost Instagram stories even if you're not tagged by taking screenshots or using screen recording for videos. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.